Okay, here we got the Leslie Nathan chambers that I built with the help of a couple of friends of mine, a good welder and a good machinist. And we now are on the improving stage. With these, if you can see where the air came out, when we welded the two together, this hole here kind of got plugged, so ended up machining and came out through here, and it was hitting the very edge of the diaphragm right at the nozzle. And also when we put the two together, we put the pipe on the inside, welded it up, and ended up with a hole the size of the Leslie bells. So the two modifications that we did was we plugged the hole that came in at an angle and was hitting the diaphragm right at the edge of the nozzle, and remachined it out so it comes out in the proper spot. Had to put a little extra weld on the back here because it kind of poked through a little bit when it came out to catch the hole for the factory Nathan. And also we opened the diameter of the hole to the size of the diameter of the hole that would have been in the Nathan chamber to begin with. Yeah, I got that right. And that's what we got. We get that hole to this hole. Excuse me, lots of pollen. And going to see if this deepens the tone and how it sounds. Going to take a couple of Leslie bells and machine them out so they have a little more of a passageway to accommodate the bigger passageway for the Nathan chamber. And going to see how deep a tone we can get out of this. Alright. Next up, going to compare the two together, the different size holes and where the air is hitting the diaphragm, and see what we got. Okay, first off, got the 31 bells, and this is going to be the test of the Nathan Leslie Frankenstein chamber. This is the first generation. Okay. That was the chamber that has the hole the size of the Leslie chamber for a Leslie horn. Now this is the machine one that has the hole going through the Leslie base, machined out to be the same size as a Nathan horn. Definitely a lot deeper. Next step is going to be taking a bell and machining out the end of it and opening up the hole to see how deep a tone I can get out of it. Alright, kind of a fun project. See ya!